got a cozy weather. Memo akwaba shonko aba Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi so world of entertainment. Ye chegwo. De fata woni no summu ye de kakra somo. Because some dey na pina na ewo ho no. Me de Sandra Oheme Ametiwa. Adwuma nyame Adom. Entertainment ame Ghana for chemu.
You start sending her. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Sim subi msa fama me na
You start sending her. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
But the pound be the bonum be also be am trumpet am me bo me trumpet. Tell we mama mu bom kakra na uhume. E bia na any day di kan a wo hwe me ye. Me no mo frɛ me sister Sandy no. Kwala ma me Ghana's entertainment prophet 2 times a guy. Said any day di kan a wo hwe me o ma ye dwumadi bebre 2011 car care Toyota Sequoia. Ya sele wa ya tigo first. Bisanyom bom na adwuma na yegine mu ache bom ma bom. Bom. Na ensio eto bia ye issue on crime. And I am bisa me ho say for how long and ebe koso. Enu ahwe se na ekrom yiri ensio tope na obi ayem hyehye na wa akra. But mu su fra ban no mi su fra mo netizens. Bola wo hwie gu gatem pa cho jai. Wo su fra ban mi su fra wo fie gata da wanim tim. Wo kamu aban mahama mo manenda. Na wo nso tete wo gatem. Na wo bola na nhwie ngu ensuo nim. Yehowa nka ye nyina ho na obi anhye ne hoden yenko ensem no. So still issues arising so social no. So now I think some Monday no we did a story about alleged fake accounts belonging to being presidents boy. Na mama me Stonebwoy picture. Still so. But come to think of it, no me be bisa say nhwehwemu ben na maye. E dey na che say yo noa. Ana say voice na mujina so. Me nhwehwem, me aboy picture. But na bra was one man montin me emechiwe. To yes sentie biem because on say Clemento Suarez a comedian na. Otimi kasa te say JJ Rollins. So Clemento also otimi memeke JJ Rollins voice. So what if? The question is what if? Savoy is here okay. What if say obia or kasa te say Stonebwoy? How about that? One say Monday mi jama me call comment section was still there. One say alige. Me call her agenda mas agent. Me say chenchina wo no a. Me da so gina baby me gina say me nim de ekoso. What say? Me nim de ekoso. It's over to you. Tie biem na munye hwehwe munye amfamre me. Ba adwuma ma hwehwe ne memu abre. It is said tim biem ne tie ade ba.
Particular account because you mentioned Vaughn and somebody else. From which account?
What do you call it?
Lasmid, right?
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay, so that is where I agree with you that I said that it's a possibility that Stonebwoy owns that and operate that account. That's the first possibility. Do you agree with me? It could be that Stonebwoy created that account.
No, I don't agree with you because when I heard the voice when Stonebwoy was talking, the actual voice.
But if you hear that voice through that account and you're telling me that there's no possibility that he owns and
love, seriously, do you know that you sound you sound like Stonebwoy a little bit? Do you know that?
No, I don't sound like Stonebwoy. No,
I don't.
Well, then, mommy, be some question. Mommy, be some question. We may patch out.
You know, right now, my cousin was asking me if Stonebwoy was talking. I said, no, that's not Stonebwoy.
Hey, that will control that red boy.
Hey, okay,
you sound like Stonebwoy.
Okay, so Miss Morningstar, I don't believe that those tweets that is coming from the account is coming from Stonebwoy. Right?
Yes.
On the other hand, I believe that as at that time, Stonebwoy used that person account, whether he logged in or he was with that person, and he talked to the account. Do you agree with that?
I don't know because I get confused.
Maybe as at that. No. But you heard the voice through that account.
But when the man himself was talking, I was confused. I was like, oh, what I heard was
so you're
different.
confused.
Boy,
Ghana.
No, I understand that.
What
No,
I
no, no.
heard
But
was
no, see,
different
that's what I'm
from
saying.
Stonebwoy's actual
What you
voice that was
guys are
speaking.
doing, right, Miss? What you guys are doing, right, is making it very, very difficult. I don't think.
Enti say na etie. Na once me di jam juwada se me ba comment section. Me ba ho me fa kai edru comment section na me call me hu se nkofo no confuse ade no because the person talking is actually Stonebwoy in that particular ina kono. Nipa na okasa ne yo no but people are confusing is as nipa na okasa ne mum ye Lasmid boy ne there be. It was touch our account na say Stonebwoy na na kasa you know. It's like one say one who they measure no. The person talking in that space, you know, was Stonebwoy. But agenda for no so just say Lasmid boy no elogi no ko na boy bye. So don't get it twisted. Say Lasmid boy then they join in and no cause say Stonebwoy. It's a boy. As I don't know can or more can. Asem so the tools so na nya we ni bra bi ade be ba abonten aba be chire mu no. It's a na wo so me chire mu a wote hwe. Oh. You try and trot me so hit be am never bow so no maintenance say me nyehwe han ade aye ka koye enye me nkwa na maka almost media house obi e ka bloggers obi e ka me kasa na ye hu ba bia ye begina because say pa de nwuma meche wugina bia wa hini o Sandra wugina bia wa hini o se woni mi Yesu a minim Yesu ntimi ni gina bia ye nto a ensem no eso abrante bi so kwan e wo social no eso and otakwan but the enkofo nim ni say all onye SM boy sa guy no kwa me say why ye walida onye SM boy but it's funny how events are turning tie asem a okan
the way you put yourself on a level where you know reach all be the back of your insecurities, you know. You always think say you for do more to be seen. You always feel say you for do more to be seen. Like when I think about it, I don't know whether it be the leg or it be the shaman or it be the poverty where you come from, or I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if you put a finger on it. Because it's weird. Because if it's poverty, I believe them too from poverty. You understand? But they have composure. You understand? They didn't overdo. They didn't like take each other. They didn't like take somebody in shine. But you like to take shine. You like to cross. You be giddy. But you say, you do song they talk about, you know be giddy. We see you on the red carpet, you know. How you move to Taylor Swift. That be the most giddy thing any man would fit do on the red carpet, you know. Very giddy. You were moving like a Formula One. Very giddy guy. You pass giddy self, you be giddy. You understand?
Abusia fire stick na eka say na me so me the sister son to be a guy. The ade ba kwa me adwuma ne ye din ni. Empanifo bu baby se twene ani da ho aye monchen. No kra wo ho a ho. Okwa sisi ye ka sister Sandy ba wo de tie. Rasani a rapaholic. Sa kwade ebu nkotodwe e ma obrafo. Tie ni analysis me ye ba cho to bu na tie. We find emotions and can tie me. When Samini and Wale started, remember Shatta Wale was once called Bandana. No, Kobai no be friend no. Shatta Wale. And Samini was Batman. Shatta Wale called first Samini Godfather. It was like Ghana for where you need him. Ayayayana. Yama. Bray ichimu ye ne day. Which or you're very talented or you're good at what he does. No two ways about it. But when sister Sandy Mijina hey. Number some of them hototo gifty auntie. Sonia and then Anama McBrown. They are big. Oma were you many much Nanama were you many 25 years, my almost 15 years. Or started 10 years before Maybem. And you know, also Ayana is just right to say Yadi a buobema ubio duanim. Also, it's just fair. So ube to che. And no, there be a make say to che mo be. It doesn't make you any less. And with the respect ma we senior, it doesn't make you. Ebia unyo bia. Stonebwoy is big. No two ways about it. One of our international exports. But I feel say some Ghanaians emanichimi and they say obetimi ni obi a rubbish shoulders. But hello. They are seniors in every game. And you know, you put analysis ni ye na ye nti obi na so and disrespect obi adwuma. Ke ye na sumdwe be den. Ebeba. It's in the Biameka, Sababy Amijne. I will not tolerate any junior disrespecting any senior in the game. Patchwati, I say. See where they oh, aha, see beam for waiting patch boom free because ne bonne so. But seniority, dear, may refer to rapaholic. Sakwa is big. Ye international export. Or you better say, oh, Brafo Crambo, and international, Sakwa international, but Sakwa still nailed in front of Brafo. That is showing appreciation. That is showing seniority. Na say Samini do buy. Na say no sani Samini jemwa. Entwe achomo hu. Aha, we dey. Mr. Moa, we say wo pese obi be didi atem a. We pese wo so te ase say adwuma ye na didi atem nenam. Because adwuma die, ka didi atem ku nipa ka say me wuda da. So di be di atem pe bi didi. Pe be aduane bi di. Aha, na o me a wotimi da instead of so ba be di atem ye ho anka ho na ye ntoa ensem no eso. Good news Ghana. Frank Bomame. Great news. As Richie abakwasem kakra ono anka so ye dwumtuni atete no nyate nyom pe ne he was known for the piano no and now nyate you know the name right Boma Bra no abo adwuma ono akasa bo nyuye na graduate no ho efa artist share na say and obeye record label or sign artist bit to say ASEM asem obada ntem and I for sign abaya that time no ye Ghana first lady easy baby ene or ye medical so empna bom fama no obi be say into that partner session e be na agency fa hu nipa making tie ya dia amum ye nka no ade na ye medical mpana no ade na necessary and o sign OJ big boy lover nyame fa ne kra ensie o sign Miss V e so about to the new school e sign Kwame Eugene and Akidi o sign Maya Blue kwa de we free one say enti this is somebody wait me I kind of plane and plane fa say what you need use from ono ne ho as a musician to nurturing artists talent and enti one say Grammy Awards edeno aka voting member no ehomumbo. This is good news for Ghana. Member no nya so ono nko abevote ama Ghana for ye nominate Beyonce Pro we say you say mumu ye mum put some respect on the red gold green to the black star no mumu ye ko Ghana ni ka ho. It's the Recording Academy names Richie Mensah a voting member of the Grammy Awards. Mumu mfama no na yeso efutu kakra be show was a Ghana de pinenya poster enche no mmetiri no aisa ka apem na yesi ye be srew pa sa ho brasie nyamesuro no kredie nyese ye be nominate obu ni say nti wo vote ma no aha nipa no deserve am patcho vote ma no yeso ye ruti eta wachi pa yeta wachi die mu ede you know the name right big up yourself sabum fa emano still on the Grammys Best of Paris still on the Grammys Black Hole so how it goes nyum e blow ye pa nyum no tie kura just say on sanya street crown Shatta Wale Shatta Wale street crown or more consider no sana so how it goes Black Sheriff are present here and also so more consider we say no say ebemwa that means oh erade bacho sarabare abuche it that means so omo accept so how it goes no more accept street crown we have two major Ghanaian artists and Ghanaian songs in there boom Na de be tia ye ni. And na in say for any abre. No mo yo mo nsa say pa comment section you know tio once SM for no many abre o mo campaign. Say ye kofa ade ni sisi amba ye but once wo so wada. SM for no so any abre push ade no. Omo trotro comment section say oh mo nko ha nko tro say you should see that the boys are putting in the work. Oh. I'm time while I'm in TSU because the soldiers are doing the job. The king calls and the soldiers respond. That's how it is. Tienre black with the enen so ewa hase or more consider. Richie, congrats. Yanto aso. That's right. Anyway, Osha die wo mu ya ye consider. Me alata for kwaro mu hu hia me mo pre. Me who Ghana for Black Sheriff. We would agokwa alata for bejiafa say or feature fire blow DML ntia anya wo a hene kwatena se anya wo ntia boboso wan wo maka ho hia me go bi anim black when you ruti monko anim na ye hwe senia beko abusia there is a big celebration coming up, a very huge one, because when the king calls soldiers no so ye den etie omudi achire king ben na make king already and pa boom because Shatta first celebration Basso 18th of October. The king calls, the movement rises. Movement be stronger than appetite. Wow. 18th October. Momo count. I say becheska wasio. Momo X Shatta Wale, King of Africa Dance Hall, presents Shatta Fest 2025. Powered by Momo Storm, so a Storm for ambassador. Kofo Pigu, I see a dress code here white and question black and maho. Washa black we enemy. Sha white. Bra Independence Square. Independence Square, a birthday celebration. Shatabration. And buy a free. Shanonson. A free. Hey, Benny, Independence Square free. Wolo ehobeye bukata ina wale jiska kra hoye mana free obi draw comment say when your baba show send the phone beira fabo ha why fabo ya na mo de be share SM4 no, but who told you say SM4 na ya kronfo no? Because any free show be also so obi abefra okada for kra pake befra bobo ya lolo obi a to phone yira fa me share SM4 wan so mu yi na mo mra Independence Square 18th. Papa, I think a lot of surprise artists. And guess who your MC is? Sister Sandy. Maybe I was yeah. But still, never possible. So be who me stage in so. It is possible. Come on. And there's some forms like bang, mumbo mano papa. Abaya be releasing was it 14 years ago? And it wukwada. The beyond me Wednesday, I am person me this see ho. More bomb homody woman crash Wednesday. A Jordan so man crash. Because people are doing amazing. Enough of the negativity. It's here we have for the talents. Mum Emma Miss V. Oh, such a beautiful girl. Representing number 9. A girl waitress say you can be natural and beautiful. Who here say we betucha body ne ade. So this song was released 11 years ago. Natural girl. Obi oha what be. Obi oha what natural girl ni be by now pan you natural be. Obi 11 years ago na no dey. I don't want a woman like me. Why say wakotwitwa body. Obi oha what be. I'm a natural girl say wapo. Ti ye to a wuntimi ne ye ento ebiem. Ti mama me fa enya wo kwan. And I mean you be me free radio be bo me chidom. Ayewa 05. My one and only brother, Timanfo. I mean, you know, we have Frank, Asempa, Oboma Rasta, the birthday back. Tena Waha, Mrs. Poku, A.D., or so show. Master Israel, we show. New York, a cocoa supplier. The human in our Frank, MCR, software is a human arm, a guy. We see some auditions near Basso. Weekend way, what we can way, Acroma Plaza. bra honom Saturday, Sunday. If we are no pakosi anwumre mu ntini e batadi 8 to 14 years. Pacho mo fa me manem remi. Ni Kumase the following weekend. The following weekend ya Accra, but this very weekend no. Takra de Stroma auditions finally Ajebo season 8. Yeah, there's just so into Munsha wa Koma Plaza. Sarah Parry, I'm a director. OPD. I catch him so OPD Adom for say when it can you wear stylist ne she boom put some respect on her name. You know what I'm saying? Hidden Glow makeup department. I'm the guy Queen, 2 times a guy. I'm out. Bye for now.
Yes. So are we ready to premiere this video?
Too ready.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the video is ready. Natural Girl. Let's take a look.